is about photographs. So photography is an issue of dispute among scholars. A lot of the scholars consider photography to be prohibited and to be considered as tasweer. And tasweer is image making. So the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that the most severely punished people on the day of judgment in hellfire are those who draw or who take image and make images, whether through sculpturing or through drawing. And this is what caused a lot of the scholars to consider shooting and clicking photographs to have the same ruling, because in Arabic it's called tasweer, and it's the same concept, which is image making or taking. Some scholars begged to differ, and I'm inclined to that opinion, because when you take a photograph, there is no human intervention. The picture you see on your TV screen is a reflection of light. It's the same that I see when I talk to a mirror or when I see my reflection on a pond of water. So this is not something that I created. This is the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. And some scholars say as long as there's no photoshopping, as long as there's no editing of the picture, it's just as you had taken it, this is permissible. So Labib's question is, okay, if we say that's permissible, why is it prohibited to hang on the walls? Because the default remains, which is that Ali ibn Abi Talib said to Abu al-Hayyaj al-Asadi, may Allah be pleased on Ali radiallahu anh, and may Allah have mercy on this tabi'i. He said to him, should I send you on the same errand which the Prophet had sent me? He sent me not to leave a picture without, how do we say it, misfiguring it, changing its features so it's not a picture anymore. So if this is a statue, you have to break it. If it's a portrait, you have to try to cover the face or erase it or whatever. So this hadith in the Sahih shows that it is not permissible to have any such photographs or drawings in general to be hung on the walls. And I don't know of any scholar that says it is permissible to hang photographs. Not only that, we know that a lot of the people have this problem after, let's say, their father dies. And we see this in the public, in communities, and also in soap operas and in movies, where you find that there's the portrait of the deceased with black clothing around it, and the widow comes and says and talks to him. I wish you come and see what your children, what your kids have done to me. We have problems, we have financial, and she's talking to the dead through the picture. So definitely hanging photographs or pictures of live creatures or animals or human beings is totally prohibited. But to have pictures of landscape, of mountains, of rivers, of trees, etc., there is nothing wrong in that, inshallah.